I made a previous video on how to use a payment agent, right? But recently Deriv updated the platform, so there are a few things that you need to take note of, right? So this is how I withdraw my money through payment agents on Deriv. So this is what I do first, right? If I want to take you back, let me take you to this place, right? So if you come to the menu bar over here, the first thing that you have to do is to first of all transfer the money to your USD account, right? So you come to cashier over here and you go to transfer. So over here, this is where you actually transfer the money. So initially the money was in my Deriv account and I had to transfer from the Deriv account over here to my USD account. Now you can see the money has been transferred to my USD account, right? So yeah, that is the first part. Now the second part is for you to go to the menu bar again, go to cashier, and from here you locate payment agent. You see we have different options over here: deposit, withdrawal, payment agent, transfer, Deriv P2P. I actually don't use the P2P, I use payment agents, right? So you come to payment agents, then you have the deposit option, which will automatically be selected for you, and we have the withdrawal option. So me, I want withdrawal, so I'm going to go and hit on withdrawal, right? So over here a mail will be sent to my inbox for me to authenticate that yes, I am the real owner of the account trying to withdraw the money, right? So let me do that right away. Alright, so here is a message from Deriv. Hi Godsway, before we can process your withdrawal, we first need to check that it was you who made the request. So yes, it's me. I'm going to hit that button right there and it's going to push me to another site like this. Alright, so what I need to do over here once the page load is to locate the name of the person that I want to deal with, right? So we have different payment agents available over here, but myself, I deal with one payment agent, so I'm just going to search for his name over here, 𝙍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈. Alright, so this is the person that I deal with, Mr. 𝙍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈, right? So what I'm going to do over here is to just click on this drop down button over here. Alright, you will see I made a previous video on how to use a payment agent, right? But recently Deriv updated the platform, so there are a few things that you need to take note of, right? So over here I'm just going to enter the amount I want to withdraw. In this case I'll withdraw $100, and let's see, I have to tap on continue, and yes, I confirm. Alright, so I'm checking this box. I confirm that I have verified the payment agent's transfer information, right? So prior to this, I've already tested his personal assistant on WhatsApp to find out if he's available for the withdrawal, and yes, they gave me go ahead to proceed with the withdrawal. So yeah, I've confirmed everything, right? So I'm going to tap on transfer now, and then I'll take a screenshot and reach out to the person on WhatsApp, right? Or you can just use any of the information available over here to reach out to the person, right? But for me, I'm just going to take a screenshot right away. Good. So you see, you've transferred $100 to so and so. So to receive your funds, contact the payment agent with the details below. You can view the summary of this transaction in your mail, right? So I'm just going to head over straight to WhatsApp. Then I'm going to just hit a screenshot, send it right here, then probably get my mobile number and send to the person. Alright, so I just send the details to the person waiting for payment, right? So let's see how it's gonna go. Alright, so she just sent the money into cash and receipt for 1,560 Ghana cedis from 𝙍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈, right? Okay, she just sent a message that she has sent it. Alright. Alright, so that's how you can actually, use the Deriv payment agent to do your withdrawals and your deposit. If you want to deposit to, it's the same way. If you want to withdraw to, it's the same way. So yeah, I hope you do find this video helpful, and If you do, kindly go ahead and hit that like button on the video and also subscribe for more content on this YouTube channel. My name is Godsway and I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.